Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've just come again here in the video basically to do one English speaking practice, and today I didn't basically choose some sort of cue card because throughout the day I was listening to the commentary of English commentator, and it was a good experience while watching cricket because I turn off the language in English, so it will sometime it feels like what they are like saying, but sometime I basically understand their basically comments whatever they are doing. So it was a very brilliant experience if I want to basically improve my communication skills, or you can say basically listening skills as well, because they are speaking too fast and they are using a very a good kind of vocabulary, complex vocabulary, which is very good for me. Basically, I cannot understand it in a basically initial days, but now once I start listening commentary in like English language, so it is feels very easy to me basically listen them and understand what are the situations look like. And today I'm going to basically explain like whatever the things they are speaking. So yeah, throughout the day today India is basically lost all 5 wickets in the morning session, and after that basically the England's come to the bats, and there is, you can say, the opening batsman done very great job. At least I think around 93 runs there is, the India got only 1 wicket, and this is very basically great batting by both openers. And it after that basically coming up to next session basically Siraj taken wicket, which is very important at the moment because there is they have built a lot of pressure, and the run lead of India is also not that much. The basically make run around 228, and after couple of basically overs like 15 to 20 overs, they actually basically reached that. And it was a very shocking for every Indian fans because India takes at least 60 overs to basically reach 200 or 228, but they actually reach it around within 30 overs, and still the match is running on. And I've been watching it, and it's still very great. India is coming back. I think they have basically lost all 7 wickets. Basically they have taken all 7 wickets of England, and now they are preparing for basically take them all like within couple of half an hour to 1 hour they will take that. And then after India going to bat, and I probably think like India will going to do the batting like England, because otherwise they cannot able to sustain in this match, because England do have some sort of great batting lineup, and today Root is not basically up to the mark, so he got out very cheaply. And but yeah, if he bats, so it will be very big problem for India as well. So this is how basically I sometime got some sort of words that is magnificent, and you can say brilliant. There are some words which I've learned from commentator today, right? Enjoy, or there are a lot of words which I'm going to written down and try to basically actually use them in my day-to-day basis. And you can also like change the language of whatever you are consuming, and that will be very helpful, because if you want to do something, you need to do it, you need to plan accordingly in your day-to-day basis. So today that is it. I hope you find this video helpful, and I hope you like my way of doing practices. So this is it for today. Bye bye, have a good day.